So if I had to put 3 words to what visual is all about, it's about engagement, excitement, and experiences. So whether it be styling, whether it be store design, whether it be an event, we're here to help promote whatever it is. So we're behind the scenes making you look good. It's an AA program. You graduate with an Associate of Arts Visual Communication, but you do have the option to go into the 3rd-year advanced program, which is Entertainment Set Design and Set Decorating. It's a 9-month program. For those students who want to participate, we go to New York during Christmas time, and that's when the industry has their big trade show. So we have a 5-day trip that we take the students to. They get behind the scenes of how those Christmas windows are installed and meet with the team that has done it, which is an amazing opportunity for them, those students that want to go that direction. And then in the Entertainment Set Design and Set Decoration program, there is a required trip that all students go in their last quarter of the program, and we go for 1 week to New York, and we primarily study the theater. So we're working with the theater set designers, theater art directors. I think one of the biggest perks of being in that program is the students have 2 mandated internships that they have to do. So they're actually working at the studio alongside a true set designer or set decorator, or could even be an art director. Could be in the graphics department or the prop room. So they're getting that hands-on experience while they're also getting the theory in the class. So students have been working at Warner Brothers, they've been working at Disney, and a lot of students are working on student films alongside USC Film School and AFI. Quite a few of the students are also choosing to go this whole e-commerce route. Everybody's buying online, so the styling for e-commerce sites has become big business for our graduates as well. Several of our students have chosen to go into the bachelor's program, Bachelor of Arts program, whether it be in digital marketing or in graphic design. I think that's the beauty of the breadth of the visual area. There's so many different opportunities to go into in that 3D world that our students are designing for.